So here's the honey warmer or liquefier. Just an old refrigerator that I added on some stuff. Here's the thermometer. It was just one that had the door here for the ice box, and I just put a fan here. Just hung a little fan from a, I don't know, it's an old different refrigerator or something. And then the heating element, all it is it's a hot pot. This is one that you would just plug in to the wall. You could heat stuff up. So I got this adjusted also. And the only reason I put a fry pan is just for more surface area, so it heats, creates more heat. And that's just the thermometer that lays in there. So the fan blows down, and then I'd set a bucket like let's see if I can find one. Yeah, like these orange. The orange buckets are my honey buckets. And I just have some boards so it's off the ground. So I can set this in here. And then normally I just put this thermometer on top. And there's another thermometer in there. And really the only thing that makes it work is this. This is just a temperature controller right here. I'll plug it in. I usually keep it, oh, it is plugged in, okay. So it just has one plug in the wall. This is the cord that just goes down to this heater, so that just goes up. And then this is the cord that goes to the fan. And you wouldn't have to hook it up as fancy as this. It could all just be on one circuit where the cord that plugs into the wall just goes into the controller. So anyway, this just turns on my heat. This is the power, which powers up this controller. And then this is just so I can turn the heater off or on. I don't know, it wasn't really needed, but I had the switches, so I just stuck it in. So anyway, this is really the main part. This is what regulates the temperature. You can just set it, or you can do Celsius or Fahrenheit. And you can just set it to where you want it. Just put the temperature. I don't know Celsius very good, but, and then that's just the difference between when it turns off and on. So I'll put Fahrenheit so I know what I'm doing. So I usually run it at about 110, and then I'll just set it. There's 5 degrees between, so it'll go up to 110 and turn off. When it goes down to 105, then it'll turn on again. And that's just telling me it's on. So that's the current temperature. And the heater will be on. Oh, first I gotta turn the heater switch on. And then this will get warm. So that's starting to get warm. And then it just gets up to temperature. Because it's got some plastic features inside. The door I had to cut you can see where it used to have pockets in here, like for milk or something. And I had to cut those out, otherwise the pail wouldn't fit in, it went in too far. So then this just goes in, closes. Leave that alone. I got a helper here. And that's it. Then it'll keep going up to temperature until it's where we want it. Then it'll just regulate it. You could even it's actually set up that the refrigeration unit still works, so you could, I don't know, if you wanted to cool something off or for whatever reason, you could plug that in the refrigerator and it would actually cool yet. But that's it, pretty simple. Really the main thing is just to have a heating source, which in this case I just use that hot pot. I just leave an old frying pan on there. And then the temperature control. And this is, I bought off eBay. I think it was like 50 bucks or something. Other than that, the stuff is just pretty ordinary. So, that's it.